it's Laura with the Wichita Falls Arts Council, and today we're going to make an origami paper boat. So here's a plain boat created from just a single piece of white computer paper. Starting with a rectangle, no need to cut, but we could make one little boat from a rectangular piece of paper. After we've made the boat, we can decorate the boat with coloring tools. There's a little lemon boat. I've even added a passenger, which is what we can use this little quarter sheet of white paper, extra paper to draw and cut out, tiny passenger to ride in the boat. This is completely optional. You can choose to just decorate the boat. Lemons on the back too. We have another one, little houseplant themed boat with a houseplant passenger riding along in the middle. This one just has ice cream and flowers. So we're going to start with a blank sheet of white computer paper. So a piece of construction paper should work just fine too, as long as it is a rectangle. I put my boats away. So I'm going to start with my paper in landscape orientation, meaning it's wider than it is tall. I'm going to fold my paper in half, hot dog style, to line up that top edge and the top corners. I'm using my fingers to hold my paper in place after I've lined it up, and then my thumbs can start the creasing process. And then I can move my fingers down, give that paper a nice good crease. And I like to fold against the table because it's kind of like having an extra hand. Okay, so I folded in half hot dog style. I'm now going to unfold it. Unfolding my paper and then rotating it so that that folded line in the center is going vertically or up and down. I'm going to now fold my paper in half, hamburger style. Lining up the corners and that top edge, using my fingertips to hold those top edges together against the table, and use my thumbs to start that crease. And then I can go in, move my fingers away, and give it a much better crease. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to turn my paper around so that this open flap is hanging out at the bottom. I'm going to fold down these two edges to meet the middle, that little middle crease line. So I'm going to start with my right side. This top edge right here is going to meet that middle line. Turn to a little triangle at the top. Give that a nice good crease. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. It's going to meet in the middle. Now I have two little triangle flaps on top. I have this bottom flap here, this really long, skinny rectangle. I'm going to fold just this top skinny flap up all the way as far as I can fold it without interfering with these triangles. I'm going to flip it over and do the exact same thing to the other side. Flipping over and folding this flap up. Okay, once I've done that, I can open up the bottom of this triangle. And at this point, we've created a nice little hat. I'm going to open up this hat all the way. I'm opening up the hat. I'm holding the middle, both sides. I'm just pulling until I make a square. I have these little flaps sticking up at the bottom. I want this to sit flat, so I'm going to take one of these flaps, doesn't matter which side, you can go from the left side or the right side, but I'm going to push one of these flaps under the other. And I'm going to flip it over and do the exact same thing to the other side. Pick one flap and then push it under the other flap so that all these flaps can sit flat. I'm going to take top flap on this side. I'm going to fold it all the way up so that this bottom corner right here meets the top corner. Flip it over and do the exact same thing so that the bottom corner goes all the way to the top corner. And if I were to open up the bottom a little bit, I now have an even tinier hat. I'm going to open up this hat all the way. So from the bottom, just like we did before, open up the hat all the way until I make a square. And then there's going to be two little points at the top. And I'm going to be able to pull these away from each other, and it's going to turn into a boat. I can only do this from one side. Only one side separates. And I'm going to pull until I have a little boat. And I can open up, it's here, pulling away. I'm going to try to open up this bottom a little bit. I can make it completely flat, but it sits a little bit better. I try to pinch this part at the bottom so that it stays a little open. That way it has a little edge to sit on. Or I can just go completely flat. That's okay too. Okay, once I have my boat made, I can start adding decorations. You can pick a theme. You can name your boat. This little cord or paper. We can use to draw, cut out, and then glue on a character or a passenger for your boat. And so I'm just gonna think of something to, I'm gonna do just flowers and plants. And I'm gonna spend the next maybe 10 minutes decorating, maybe 5 minutes. Okay, but you could decorate however you choose. And then you have a boat with something in it. All right, thank you for joining me.